Today I'd like to talk to you about the LR series LED signal towers. The LR series were developed with you, the customer, in mind. Over the years we received input from customers, and so we included a lot of that feedback into the LR series design. One of the first things you'll notice about the LR series is that it's modular. Before, when customers bought the product, they would want to add a module or they add an alarm, but that was very cumbersome to do. For instance, to add a module, you would need to buy the module, buy a longer center shaft, and then when you put it together, you'd have to remove the old shaft to put the new shaft back in, and then you end up with a shaft that's too short that you don't need. With the LR series, it is very simple. You just remove the head cover, and it's just with a twisting motion, and put the module back in, twist it in place, and then you're done. The other feature that you have is that all the wiring is there for 1 to 5 tiers. So you could add anything you want, you could reconfigure the modules, and all you have to do is just hook up the wire to your equipment and you're ready to go. The other feature is that it has a smooth surface. The LR series, if you run your fingers over it, you'll find that it's very smooth. With the older models, you have ridges on there, so it's easy for dust and oils to collect. The other item is on top. The LR series is smooth, and the previous models, you have a countersink and a screw there, so a lot of debris and oil can collect there. So for clean environments, this is very safe to use, and also you can use this worry-free for many years. The other feature is the alarms. Many alarms are facing one way, so it's easy to hear it if you're standing right in front of it. But if you're standing beside it or behind it, it's very difficult to hear. With the LR series, the alarm sits on top, so it's easy for you to hear it 360 degrees. Here's a sample sound for you to hear. What happens is the top of the alarm vibrates like a drum, so that's what makes it so you could hear it 360 degrees. The other reason for having it enclosed is that you could maintain the IP65 rating. With it, you could use it in very wet environments. The other feature we have for the alarm is that there's dip switches in there, so you could choose 1 of 4 alarms to suit your needs. The last feature is the brightness. We are using LEDs that are twice as bright as the previous models. And not only that, as you know, many signal towers are on top of the machine. So when you're looking up at the machine, we made a special lens so that when you look up, it's just as bright as if you're looking straight at the signal tower. Basically, signal towers are there to tell machine status. You want to be able to see it well, you want it to be able to hear it well. So we made a lot of effort to make sure these 2 basic features are there. We have many optional parts available. Please visit our website to get more information about those. Thank you very much.